Making the best oatmeal involves a combination of ingredients, cooking methods, and toppings. Here's a guide with 21 ways to make delicious oatmeal from start to finish. Base oatmeal preparations. Number 1, classic rolled oats. Combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 2 cups of milk or water. Cook on the stove top over medium heat until thickened. Number 2, steel cut oats. Boil 1 cup of steel cut oats in 3 cups of water or milk. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until creamy. Number 3, overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, milk, and your choice of sweetener in a jar. Refrigerate overnight for a quick, no-cook option. Number 4, quinoa oatmeal. Mix equal parts rolled oats and quinoa before cooking for added protein. Here are flavor enhancements for your oatmeal. Number 5, vanilla extract. Add a splash of vanilla extract during cooking for a sweet aroma. Number 6, cinnamon spice. Sprinkle ground cinnamon for warmth and flavor. Number 7, chai infusion. Steep a chai tea bag in the cooking liquid for a spiced twist. Here are different sweeteners to put in your oatmeal. Number 8, maple syrup drizzle. Sweeten your oatmeal with pure maple syrup for a rich, natural sweetness. Number 9, honey harmony. Drizzle honey over your oatmeal for a golden touch. Number 10, brown sugar bliss. Stir in brown sugar over your oatmeal for a classic sweetener. Here are nutty additions to add to your oatmeal. Number 11, almond joy. Top with sliced almonds and coconut flakes on your oatmeal. Number 12, peanut butter paradise. Swirl in peanut butter for a creamy texture in your oatmeal. Number 13, hazelnut heaven. Sprinkle crushed hazelnut for a nutty crunch. Here are fruity infusions to add to your oatmeal. Number 14, berry burst. Add fresh or frozen berries for a burst of antioxidants. Number 15, apple cinnamon delight. Mix in diced apples and a dash of cinnamon. Number 16, banana bliss. Slice bananas on top for natural sweetness. Here are gourmet twists to add to your oatmeal. Number 17, chocolate indulgences. Stir in dark chocolate chips or cocoa powder. Number 18, pumpkin spice elegance. Blend in pumpkin puree and pumpkin spice into your oatmeal. Number 19, coconut cream dream. Mix in coconut milk and shredded coconut. Here are crunchy toppings to add to your oatmeal. Number 20, granola garnish. Sprinkle granola for extra texture and flavor. And lastly, number 21, chia seed crunch. Top with chia seeds for a healthy crunch. Please note that the advice and tips provided in this video are intended for general informational purposes only. They should not be taken as professional medical advice or used as a substitute for professional health care. Although these practices can lead to improved well-being, results can vary from person to person. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or eating habits. Individual health needs and restrictions should always be taken into account. For more information on healthy eating, subscribe and like our channel. live long after 50.